Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got
Today I'm going to be doing a review about the hair that I'm currently wearing, which is from Ali Grace on AliExpress. Now I do want to mention, aside from ordering their hair from AliExpress, you also can order from their website, or you can order their hair through Amazon. Now I've heard mixed reviews about ordering, hair through Amazon, so I don't really know about that. I've heard like sometimes the quality of the hair isn't the same as if you would order it from the website or if you would order from AliExpress. So I've always opted to just order my hair from AliExpress. It's never failed me. For the most part, even though the hair comes from China, it still comes in a decent time. It doesn't take more than like 3 to 5 days. So it's really not an inconvenience. So I've always opted to order my hair from AliExpress, but you do have those options to order from Amazon or their website as well. So I ordered 3 bundles and a frontal. I ordered a 20-inch frontal, 22, 24, and 26-inch bundles, and I constructed the wig myself. I do have a video posted on my channel where I showed you guys me making this wig, and then I also have a video posted on my channel where I showed you guys me installing it. So if you want to check those 2 videos out, I will leave the links to those videos down in the description box below. So go and show your girl some love and check those 2 videos out. Now, originally when I made my wig, I did use all 3 bundles in my frontal, obviously. And once I went to go put that wig on, it was just so long on me. It was longer than what I expected, and I was a little bit shook. Like, I was taken back because I've ordered 26 inches of deep curly from another hair company. No, you gotta go. Like, don't mind my cat, y'all. I'm sorry. Please do not mind him. Now, originally, like I said, I did use all 3 bundles in the frontal, but that hair was really long. It was longer than what I expected, and I was a little bit taken back. So I was like, you know what? Let me just make the wig over. So I ended up making the wig over, and I only used 2 bundles. So currently, I'm wearing the 20-inch frontal, 22, and 24. I did not use my 26-inch bundle, and the hair is still full. It ain't missing no meals. It don't look like it's struggling. It still looks, decent, and it's still, it gives you like bad bitch vibes. Like, so one good thing about this hair is it is really full, especially being that it's curly. You definitely can get away with 2 bundles. Now, I don't know if you can do that with their straight texture, or if you can do that with their body wave. Like, you might be able to see like it's missing a few males. But with the curly hair, you can get away with 2 bundles, and especially at the lengths that I got, like, I was really shook if with how full the hair was. It was really full, really thick, really long. So like, shout out to Ali Grace, because they listen, you get your money's worth. Now, aside from it being really full, it is also affordable in comparison to other hair companies and hair vendors. For 26 inches, well, for the 20, 22, 24, and 26-inch bundles, I paid $220, I believe. I'm not sure, but I will put the price in the video of how much I paid. And to me, to be completely honest, for a frontal of deep curly and the lengths that I got, that's hella affordable. So the hair is affordable in comparison to other hair companies and vendors as well. Now, another thing that I love about this hair is it has not lost its curl pattern. A lot of times when you get curly hair, that will be something you have to face, especially if you want to bleach the hair or color it, especially if you're doing any like chemical process to the hair. You will sometimes experience the curl pattern disappearing. So, but for the most part, even though I have not dyed this hair or bleached it, sometimes even when you just go to wash the hair, it loses its curl pattern. But this hair has not lost its curl pattern. It still reverts when I add water or when I add mousse or anything like that. Like, the curls have stayed since day 1, so you won't have to worry about losing the curl pattern or it disappearing and not coming back. So the curl pattern is beautiful, and as well, the frontal matches. Sometimes when you get curly hair, I don't know what it is with curly hair, sometimes the texture of the frontal or closure will be different from the texture of the bundles, and I have not experienced that. Like, the texture on the frontal matches the texture of the bundles. I've experienced that where it's like, okay, it's curly hair, but it ain't the same type of curly hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, but this hair, you cannot tell where my frontal begins and ends, and you cannot tell, you know, where it stops. Like, it blends together, it meshes together. They both have the same curl pattern. Okay, so another good thing on this hair that I noticed is the knots of the lace, the knots on the lace bleached really well. I've experienced where sometimes I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the quality of the hair. Either the lace would not bleach evenly, or it just seemed like it would take forever for the knots to bleach. Like, it really shouldn't take you no longer than like 15 minutes to bleach your knots. But I've experienced where I done left bleach on there for ever and had to bleach the knots more than once, and it's still when I live. But this hair, the knots bleach really, really well. And also, this is a transparent lace, and as you can see, it's blended really effortlessly. One thing I can say, next time I will not get a transparent lace, because with transparent lace you really got to make sure it's really blended, because you will see that cast, girl. Okay, you'll be Casper the Ghost all along your hairline. Even though it is transparent, it still blends. The next time I will just opt to get just a medium brown lace. I really don't know why did I pick transparent lace. I honestly don't remember, or maybe it was like a default pick. Maybe it just, I don't know. But next time I will opt towards getting like that medium brown lace. But to be completely honest, sometimes that medium brown lace, even though it says brown, it gives like a gray greenish cast. I don't know if it's just me, like it's brown when you look at it, but when you put it on, it's like grayish a little bit. So I definitely will recommend their lace. It blends effortlessly and it does melt pretty well as well. So far we have the fullness, the curl pattern, the lace is affordable, the knots bleach really well. Now on to the cons, the bad part. And this is probably, well, this is the only bad thing that I do have to say about this hair, which it really hurts my heart, because I've worked, well, not to say I worked with this company, I've ordered hair from this company and I've never had this issue, but this hair sheds like nobody's business. And y'all, it's getting to the point where it's like, dang, I should have used my third bundle, because the hair, the shedding that I'm getting on a regular basis is like, I'm about to have no bundles left, you know what I'm saying? So this hair sheds really bad, and it's more so when I go to like wash my hair and detangle it, because as you know, curly hair, it does, you know, not to say gets tangled, but you do have to kind of like, it's more maintenance in a sense. Even though people will think like curly hair is less maintenance, all you gotta do is wet it, you don't gotta straighten it, you don't gotta do nothing. Yeah, you don't gotta do that, but when it comes time to washing it and detangling it and things like that, that kind of suffices for the, you know, the effort and the work that you gotta put in, you know, if it was straight hair or a body wave. So this hair tangles, this hair does shed, you guys, and it really hurts my heart, because it's like, I've ordered hair from there, like I've never had an issue with shedding with any of their other textures. I've had their straight hair as well as their loose wave, and it did not give me those issues at all. I don't know why. When I washed my hair, at first I was using the Aussie Moist conditioner, and this bottle is almost finished. It's probably like here, like a little over here, and I've literally have been wearing this hair for about a month. I shouldn't have ran through a whole bottle of conditioner, you know, because when I'm washing this hair, you gotta lather it with you really gotta lather it with conditioner just to make it more manageable when you're detangling it. And I've literally almost ran through a whole bottle in about a month, and I don't know why, but it's really ridiculous. So I was like, you know what, let me try silicone mix. But honestly, it's not even, because in silicone mix is when you want to bring hair back to life. This hair is not necessarily, you know, it's not damaged or dry or anything like that. Normally this is what I use to bring hair back to life, but there's nothing wrong with this hair besides the shedding. So that's not, conditioner is not going to make up for shedding. So that is the only thing I hate about this hair. So you guys, I don't know, like I wouldn't necessarily say I wouldn't order hair from them again, but I probably wouldn't necessarily order their deep curly hair, because I know curly hair will shed and it will tangle a little bit more than straight hair. But
Ali Grace, you out of line.
But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will will see you guys in my next one. Bye.